Hello everyone, welcome back to the Learning Bird channel. Today I will tell you how to make a homemade immunity booster powder. First of all, I'll tell you the benefit of this powder. So, immunity boosting powder helps to maintain your health and shortens the duration of your cold and flu. It will help stimulate and boost your immunity. It also should relieve the symptoms of common cough, cold and flu. My grandmother is 99 years old and going strong. Beginning of winter months, she has been making this powder for as long as we can remember. I love recreating these recipes that have been passed down the generations. In those good old days, people, especially women, heavily relied on herbs and spices. These home remedies need to be cherished and revived to the best way possible. So here we start with the ingredient. First is Krishna Tulsi. Next is Rama Tulsi. Holy basil does wonders, acts as a natural immune system booster and keep infection at bay. It protects against nearly all infections from viruses, bacteria, fungi and protozoa. Next is Ashwagandha leaf. So basically it improves the body defenses against diseases by improving the cell mediated immunity. Next is Moringa leaf. Oh, this one is very important. This is the magic tree leaves. The leaves have 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 15 times more potassium than bananas. It also has calcium, protein, iron and amino acids which help your body heal and build muscles. It also packed with antioxidant substance that can protect cells from damage and will boost your immune system. Next is Cloe. Cloe is also one of most important ingredient. We can also call it queen of herbs. Cloe is a magical herb with immune boosting property, the most versatile Ayurvedic herb that can treat many health problems. It regulates and strengthens immunity. Next is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a powerhouse of micronutrients that help fight against free radical damage in the body, further giving a boost to immunity. Now next is mint leaf. Mint is known to clear congestion of nose, throat, bronchi and lungs. In addition to the respiratory channel, mint's anti-inflammatory properties also relieve the irritation caused by chronic coughing. Now next is sweet neem leaves. It also has some good benefits like relieves morning sickness and nausea, eliminate bacteria, reduce stress. Now next is papaya leaf. Papaya leaf extract has many health and wellness benefits including platelet support, immune system support and digestion support. So now I'll tell you some Indian spices which we will also add in this powder. Now first is licorice root, carom seeds powder, table salt and rock salt, cumin seeds powder, ginger powder, coriander seeds powder, fennel seeds powder, cardamom powder, black pepper powder, cinnamon powder, black salt, turmeric. So roast all the spices except muleti and grind them well. Now I'm going to grind everything here. So in first lot I'm going to grind all the herbs and leaves which I dried in the light. It took me some around 10 days. As you can see, the leaves are well grind now. Now I'll mix all the grind spices in this. After mixing everything together, it looks like this, a very fine powder. So it is ready now and I'll keep it in an airtight jar so that it will last very long. You must take 1 spoon of this powder after half an hour of breakfast in the morning with lukewarm water. You can also add a small amount of it on your food. This immune boosting powder is like a pixie dust, just sprinkle on your food. Thank you for watching this video.